pictures. So it looks like it's pretty cloudy today. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but we'll see. Yeah, it doesn't start raining, so that's always a plus. See, I'm trespassing to get to this hike, but oh well. So there's multiple ways to hike through this. As long as you stay on the main route, you'll get to the waterfall, but there's other cinematic areas, I guess you can say, that's out here. So once you get through the trees and everything, you get to this nice like little open area. Just follow the path. There's this one spot though, I kind of want to take a picture there. Jeez, I'm a lot more winded than I thought I would be. It's ridiculous. You could start running more. In order to get to the waterfall, you should go this way. But it splits off this way. I'm gonna keep going through the split off first little branch out, I guess. See if it's as beautiful as we're out here. Here we go. Anyways, back to the trail. We're about to go back into the woods over yonder. They got these little ribbons here. It'll help keep you on the path. Water break time. Water break. Gotta stay hydrated. Alright, so you know you're halfway once you get past this little bridge kind of thing. So you have to cross. All right, so we're literally like a minute away over there, but I want to get this photo really quick. I want to get closer. I'm thinking if I go closer, I can still go up that way to get up to the... How to get in, see what this water feels like. Alright, it's time to get back. Had a good time.